At this time, we have begun balloon inflation. Capsule systems are green, instrumentation's green, payload's green, medical systems are green.
There's the release, and there's the applause, a successful rise.
You're sitting there and you thought about that moment so many times, you know, how it would feel and how it would look like. And this is way bigger than I anticipated.
I'm going over.
Jumper away. Speed 725. Speed 729.
I had it under control when I went off. It did a slow rotation, and then it started spinning so violent. It spun me around in all different axes, you know. When you travel at that speed, with that suit, when it's pressurized, you don't feel the air at all. So it's hard to predict what you have to do. I really had a hard time to get it under control.
Showing Felix and